Here's a step-by-step guide on how to earn passive income through peer-to-peer lending platforms. 1. Research P2P lending platforms. Start by researching different P2P lending platforms available. Some popular platforms include Prosper, Lending Club, and Peerform. Look for platforms that have a good reputation, a transparent lending process, and a solid track record of borrower repayments. 2. Sign up and complete the application. Choose a platform that suits your needs and sign up as an investor. Complete the application process, which may involve providing personal information, verifying your identity, and agreeing to the platform's terms and conditions. 3. Fund your account. Once your application is approved, fund your investor account. Most platforms allow you to transfer funds from your bank account electronically or through other designated payment methods. 4. Set your investment criteria. Define your investment criteria based on your risk tolerance, desired returns, and diversification strategy. Consider factors such as loan term, interest rate range, borrower creditworthiness, and loan purpose. 5. Browse and select loans. Explore the available loan listings on the platform. Each listing typically includes information about the borrower's credit profile, loan purpose, interest rate, loan term, and loan amount. Review this information carefully and select loans that meet your investment criteria. 6. Diversify your portfolio. To minimize risk, diversify your investments by spreading your funds across multiple loans. Allocate investments across different loan grades, loan terms, and borrower profiles. Diversification helps mitigate the impact of potential defaults or late payments. 7. Monitor and manage your investments. Regularly monitor your investments and track the performance of your loan portfolio. Stay informed about any updates or changes related to borrowers and loans. Some platforms provide tools and data to help you assess the health of your investments. 8. Reinvest or withdraw returns. As borrowers repay their loans, you will start earning interest and principal payments. Decide whether you want to reinvest those funds into new loans or withdraw them. Reinvesting can help compound your returns and generate more passive income over time. 9. Stay informed and adjust strategies. Stay updated on industry trends, platform updates, and changes in borrower behavior. Adjust your investment strategies as needed to optimize your returns and mitigate risks. 10. Tax considerations. Understand the tax implications of P2P lending and report your earnings accurately. Consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance with tax laws and understand any deductions or credits available to you. Remember that P2P lending involves risk, including the possibility of borrower defaults or delays in loan repayments. Conduct thorough due diligence, diversify your investments, and carefully assess each loan opportunity to mitigate risks and maximize returns. Regular monitoring and active management of your loan portfolio are essential for successful P2P lending investments. If you found this video helpful or informative, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.